this video, we will show you how to add a ACP-EL4 Elite Series access control board using Smart PSS. To do this, you'll need the ACDS config tool and also Smart PSS. We'll show you the versions we're using here. Okay, the ACDS tool will let you modify the IP address. The controller comes default at 192.168.0.2, so we'll come back to that and show you how to do that. And now I'll show you the version of Smart PSS that you'll need that includes the access control features. Okay, so make sure you have version 2.01.0. Alright, now we'll go ahead and modify the IP address of the controller. Okay, so this one here has access control, it's just showing you that. And then we will modify the IP address using the ACDS software. So here again we have our default IP 192.168.0.2. And since my network is on a different range, I'll have to modify that. So go up to search settings, and in password you're going to type in the default password of the controller, which is 123456. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and open up command prompt, and I'll search for an open IP address to assign the controller. Okay, now that I have that, I'll drag everything over. So you'll just select the device and then select edit, and then you'll be able to type in the IP address under target IP, the subnet mask, and the gateway. Okay, so here I have 192.168.1.171. This is an open IP on my network, so I'll go ahead and assign the controller to that IP. Alright, select OK, and then you'll notice in the command prompt the continuous ping that's running in the background will start to respond back. Okay, so that has been changed, and now you can just go to refresh, and now it'll tell you the updated IP address. Okay, and now we'll open up Smart PSS and add the controller. So this is the home screen of Smart PSS. Just go ahead and select devices, then select auto search. Okay, and then it'll find your device. So just select the box, and then go ahead and add your default username, which is admin, and again the password is 123456. Okay, so that's been added. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and show you how to manually add it as well. So we'll go up and we'll select add. And now since we already know the IP address, we'll just go ahead and give the device a name. Enter the IP address, the username and password. And that is how you add an Elite Series access controller using Smart PSS. Thank you for watching.